Video!
Oy. Ayoko ng video.
Video mo ako.
Ako mag-video ka.
Ayan. Tapat-tapat ko lang to.
Boracay.
Oh, Monty, interviewin kita. How's your stay here at Boracay? How do you find Boracay?
Fine.
And where are you going now?
So we're going to Jonas.
Jonas? Told you it's Jonas. It's not Johans. Stupid.
You look like H.
Never.
Stupid.
Yeah, you're smart enough.
Ayun si Patrick.
Hindi ko ngayon over there.
Ito si Monty. Ito ako.
Steve.
Yeah, we're going to Boracay.
Ayun Jonas. Famous for their fruit shakes. And we're gonna have our lunch at Astoria later. We have free invitation buffet only for special people. And look at the beach. Ooh. The best beach in town. And that is the ewan kong tawag dyan. Okay, stop ko na. Stop ko na. Stop mo na, hindi ako magulo.